Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and use public groups in Salesforce. Public groups are a powerful way to organize users and control who can access specific records, making it much easier to manage sharing and permissions across your organization. Let's start by creating a public group. First, click the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and select Setup. This takes you to the administrative area where you can configure various settings. Once you're in Setup, look for the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. Type public groups into this box and select public groups from the results. This brings you to the page where you can view and manage all your existing groups. Now click the New button to create a fresh group. You'll see a form where you need to enter some basic information. In the label field, type a name for your group, something like marketing team that clearly identifies who belongs to it. If you want to add more context, you can optionally type a description in the description field to explain the group's purpose. Next, you'll need to add members to your group. From the search dropdown, select either users or roles depending on how you want to populate the group. In the available members list on the left, select the users or roles you want to include, then click the Add button to move them over to the selected members list on the right. If you want to automatically share access up the role hierarchy, check the box labeled Grant Access using hierarchies. This ensures that managers of your group members also get access. Once everything looks good, click Save to create your public group. Now let's look at how to use this group in sharing rules. We'll use opportunities as an example. From Setup, type Sharing Settings in the Quick Find box and select Sharing Settings. This page controls how records are shared across your organization. Scroll down to the Opportunity Sharing Rules section and click New to create a new rule. In the label field, type something descriptive like Share with Marketing so you can easily identify this rule later. Under Rule Type, select Based on Record Owner. This means you're sharing records based on who owns them. Under Select Which Records to be Shared, in the first dropdown after Owned by Members of, select Public Groups. Then in the second dropdown, choose the owner group, such as all internal users or another public group you've created. Now under Select the Users to Share With, in the first dropdown after Share With, select Public Groups again. In the second dropdown, select your target group, for example, Marketing Team. Finally, under Select the level of access for the users in the Opportunity Access dropdown, choose either Read Only or Read/Write depending on what level of access you want to grant. Click Save to activate your sharing rule. You've now successfully created a public group and used it to control record access through sharing rules. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.